Your subscribe keeps us motivated. Subscribe now.
A particle is projected with speed v0 upward at an angle theta from the horizontal. The average velocity of the particle between the point of projection and the highest point on the trajectory. Okay. So let me just first draw it. So let's draw it that our this is our y-axis, this is our x-axis. Okay. And here I am throwing some object. Now it is projected with some initial speed v0, so let's call it as O, and this is our initial speed v0, correct? Upward at an angle theta, so let's take it as angle theta. Okay, fine. From the horizontal, the average velocity of the particle between the point of projection at this one and at the highest point of the trajectory. So highest point, let's call it as any point A over here. So this will be, what will be this? This will be the h. What is h? Maximum height of the particle. And what will be this horizontal distance it has travelled? R by 2. What is, sir, R? R is the range of this particle. So if R is the range, R divided by 2 is the horizontal distance it has travelled, and h is the maximum height it has travelled in reaching to point A. Now what is our average velocity? Sir, average velocity v, that will be equals to displacement upon. So if h is the perpendicular distance, R by 2 is the horizontal distance, then what will be the displacement while going from O to A? This straight line, correct? O to A, this straight line will be our displacement of the particle. So let's now simplify it and figure it out. So let me write here, S will be nothing but OA. S is OA, correct? So what will be our OA? OA will be root under h square plus r by 2 whole square using Pythagoras theorem, right? So what will be our average velocity? V average will be equals to OA upon T. And what is OA? Root under maximum height h square plus r square by 4 whole divided by time. Sir, what is time t? See, time t is the time of maximum height of a projectile. And what is the time? Let's put all the formulas here. So h is our maximum height, which is u square sine square theta upon 2g. What is r? R is the range of the particle, which is u square sine 2 theta whole divided by g. And what is t? T is the time of maximum height, which is u sine theta upon g. Let's substitute these values in this and figure out our average velocity. So our average velocity, let me write the expression once again. So this will be V average will be equals to root under h square plus r square by 4 whole divided by time. Correct. Now what is our maximum height? Maximum height here is u square sine square theta upon 2g whole square. What is our r square? Sir, r square will be u square sine 2 theta whole divided upon g, and let's keep this 4 outside. So let me just make it as whole square here into 1 by 4. Sir, why 1 by 4? Because this 4 is also there. Correct? Okay. Whole divided by t. How much is t? T is u sine theta upon g. I hope this is clear. Okay. So what we will do now? Now we will simplify it. Okay. So let's simplify this expression. So this will be root under u to the power 4 sine to the power 4 theta upon 4g square. Here it will be u to the power 4 sine square 2 theta whole divided by g square into 4. That 4 is also there. Whole divided by, how much it will be? U sine theta upon g. I hope this is clear. Now let's take common out. If I take u to the power 4 common out from both and take it out, it will be u square and 4g square outside, it will be 2g, correct? 2g whole square is 4g square. What I left with in bracket here? I left with sine 4 theta, and here I left with sine square 2 theta. Whole divided by how much here? It will be u sine theta and upon g. Let's cancel out this g with g. Let me make a line over here. After this, I am continuing on the right hand side. So, u, we can cancel one of the u with one of the u. So, we left with here u upon 2 and sine theta. This denominator sine theta which is over here, I have written with 2. And under root, we left with sine 4 theta plus. Now, sine square 2 theta. What is sine square 2 theta? Sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta whole square. Yes, sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. So, I have made whole square of that. So, this will be u upon 2 sine theta root under sine power 4 theta plus 4 sine square theta cos square theta. Let's take sine square out of the root. So, before that, let's take common out 2 sine theta root under taking sine square theta common out sine square theta plus 4 cos square theta. I hope this is clear. We can re-multiply and see. So, sine square into sine square, sine power 4, sine square into the second, that will be. Now, taking the sine square out of the root, you left with u sine theta upon 2 sine theta. And what you left with inside the bracket? This sine square theta and this bracket term. So, sine square theta plus 4 cos square theta, correct? Let's cancel out this sine theta with sine theta. We left with u by 2 root under sine square theta, that's 1 minus cos square theta, and here plus 4 cos square theta. This will be u upon 2 root under 1, 4 cos square theta minus cos square theta, 3 cos square theta. Okay, so this is our average velocity over here. So, let's see if there is such expression. V naught by 2, u is our nothing but V naught as per the question. I have just taken according to the formula, but here they have given it as V naught. So, we can substitute here as our average velocity will be equals to V naught by 2 root under 1 plus 3 cos square theta. Now, that is more appropriate. So, option B.